All right, good day, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to design a fashion logo using the Pixellab. As you can see, um, it's a simple design. So let me go to my size and then I will make it 1030. 1030 also. Here is it. So now let me go to gallery and then import a kind of, so this is what I will be using. I will drop each materials on the description menu as usual so that you can download. So for the new comers, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So let me just work on this. Let me go to color filter and then work on the color filter. Alright, here is it. So let me leave it like this. So let me go to gallery again. I will import an icon, this. Let me go to erase color and then erase the color. Let me increase the tolerance, although I will turn it to, let me turn the color to this green. Okay, here we go. Let me increase the size of this. I want it to be a little bit. Okay. Let me just align it toward here. Then decrease the size of this. So here we go. Let me go to text and then write Adora. I will make it, I will leave it like this as it is, the writings. I will not make it uppercase letter. So let me go to fonts and then choose signature font. Here's it. Increase the size so that I will just leave it around this axis. So let me see the padding. Let me see the padding. Because I want my thing to be. So here we go. Here we go with this one. I will make the color to be purple. This. And then I will go to text again. Then write passion. Then make this one uppercase letters. Then align it toward this. Let me change the color of this to be this green. Okay. And then for the fonts, I'll make it Newton regular like this. And then alright, this is good. I guess this is good, but this one let me make it be around this axis. Here we go. Now I will go to text again and then write this slogan, which is wear your passion. Wear your passion. Sorry. Wear your confidence. Sorry. So let me leave this one around this axis. And then for the fonts, let me use it on regular as usual. And then this one, I will make it this icon. And then for the color of the fonts there, I will make it to be this color. And then for the background, let me increase the padding. Sorry. Increase the left padding to be 4. And then the right padding to be 4 also. Increase the size. So I will go and import some icons. That's WhatsApp, and then the telephone icon. Alright, here is the icon, the last icon. Okay. Place it to around this axis. Okay, here we go. Now for the phone number, I will just type the phone number here. Okay, here we go. I will place it to about here, and then for the color, I'll make it green. Make it green, and then for the fonts, let me see. For the fonts, let me use this Captain Bold demo. Okay, and let me increase the spacing. Alright. Here we go. Alright, here we go. So I will quickly let me just decrease the size a little bit. Alright. Yeah, well, this is good. This is perfect. And then for this one, let me kind of make this one 5, this one 5, also 6. Okay, so this is good. So let me just save my work. So to save this work, I'll make it transparent because I'm using mockup in order to mock it up. So I will use this transparent and then go to save. and then save it as image. So make sure you save it as PNG here. Here, PNG, not JPG, because JPG is something that has transparency. So we save it as PNG, and then for this, let it be ultra. Alright. So we are done. Now we are going to go and mock it up. Okay, looking at this, there is one back icon that we forgot. So let me quickly import it. So here is it. I will quickly import it and then reduce the size so that it can fit. And let me make it green. Alright. Now let me just put it towards here. Okay, let me just quickly align it. Alright, I will just leave it like this. Let's leave it like this. Okay, so here we go. I will quickly save my work as PNG, and then for this dimension it should be ultra. Thank you. Let's go to photography and see. Here is the interface of the photography. So I will come here to where you see template here. I will just tap it toward this direction and then allow it to load. So you can see here is our the templates, different templates. So I'm going to choose one so that we can work on it. Let me choose just a sample. Let me choose a sample. Which one should I choose? Which one should I choose? Which one should I choose? Okay, let me choose this one. Okay, and tap it. Okay, it's actually loading. Although this one depends on your phone capacity and then the network, how steady your network is. So here is it. So I will come here to this layer where you see this layer, 3 papers loading. So I will just pick it, and then where you see your logo here, just double tap it. You can see. So where you see this eye icon, tap it once. Alright, then go back to your layer. Okay, you can see the interface of the mockup shows transparency here. So I will come here at the top here where you see file, just pick it and then come to open and place. Go and locate your logo, your design. Sorry. Okay, I'm locating it here. So here's our design. I will pick it. It's a transparent design as we did. So I will resize it. Resize it. Okay, here is it. I will come here to this file again, and then you see where you see save smart object. I will tap it. Okay, smart object updated. So you can see 2 layers here. You can see white logo, yeah, okay. And then this one is graphics. This is the mockup that we just used. So I will tap on this white. You can see here is our design. Here's our design. All right, here is it. It's just a sample. So thank you for watching. And then if you are if you are new to this website, please consider subscribing and then like and share. Thank you. Thank you. Then let me just save my work. Okay, as JPG. and then save it. It's actually downloading. It has finished downloading. So let me open it. Here's our work. Although you can use a different template if this one is not good for you. You can use a different template. Thank you.